This is a video on the Manfrotto Small Advanced Camera Holster case. Now this case is suitable for small DSLR cameras with their lenses. Now I picked up this particular one from Amazon for just under £15, and I'll show you here. Sorry about the light. And as you can see, I picked it up for that price here. Now, when you get the case, you get obviously these tags which are attached to it, which tells you obviously it's a genuine Manfrotto product, and shows a man showing wearing it. And as you can see, you get these and a little bit of literature for it. Now this case, we'll take a look around, has a nice padded handle, a belt loop straps at the back so you can attach it to your belt, and as you can see it has eyelets on either side, so to attach the handle, the shoulder strap, sorry. And this is the shoulder strap, and it's padded, so when you get it, it is attached with a piece of plastic twine here. And this is the shoulder strap, which is padded here, which comes with hooks, or plastic carabiners here to attach it. And it also comes with this cover, but I'll go into that later on. And we'll take a look outside of the bag even further. Now on the sides here we have a pocket which zips round in a L shape, and that's to put your batteries or any other, not so much your lenses, more like battery charger. Most likely can fit in there. And on the other side we have another L shape pocket, zip pocket, same again. It's relatively deep. My guess is it's just for storing your batteries in those pockets. Now we open it up, and just before we do that, as you can see, we have plain zips here, but they're YKK zips, and we have YKK zips again with the Manfrotto sign on there. As you can see, we have the Manfrotto logo, which is in a hard plastic. We have this kind of I'd say rope ribbon kind of decorative front here, which is a bit reflective. It is a bit reflective on there, so there's a bit of a reflection on there. Bit unzip. Now we take a look at the lid. On the lid we have a pockets here. As you can see, they're small pockets, and which are very suitable for your SD cards, which comes with a little lid. Now this pocket isn't fastened down. There is no, as you can see, there is no Velcro. It's just a simple flap. This is a simple sewn on flap, which you can see what holds that down. This top lid is very padded, just like the handle here is very padded at the top. Now we look into the inside of it. Now inside, I'll try and get a very good angle on this. As you can see, it's a fur lined, I'd say like felt lining on that side and on that side as well. And on the back, it's a bit of a nylon. So this is nylon, so it's a felt lining here and a felt lining here with the Manfrotto logo and name there. We have a tag here just stating that it's a genuine product, and another tag there basically tells you how to clean this. And we have another felt lining here, but the back here and front is nylon. All around the bag inside, you can feel that it's very padded. It is really padded quite hard in there, so it's flexible, but it's a thick padding that's in there. Now onto this item here. Now this is a rain cover for the bag. Now this covers over the bag. Now I'll show you a picture of it covered up, because to tell you the truth, this item is not really for me, it's for a person who I bought it for, and he doesn't mind me using this bag as showing the bag and doing a review on the bag, but I don't really want to cut the label off, separate the bits really, because obviously he's bought it, but he's just he's loaned it to me to show, just to do a review on it. So I'll show you a picture what that rain cover, how it covers the bag. Now here is the rain cover, and as you can see, it covers all the entire of the bag, covers all of the bag, except for the eyelets on either side, so you can still able to fasten your shoulder strap to the bag. So that's how that rain cover covers the bag. It covers from underneath and at the top, and leaving an opening at the back. Here, obviously, if you want to still remain to keep it on your belt, it leaves an opening at the back, but that's how it covers. Now, since I do not have a DSLR camera, I'll just show you on this picture here, because my guess is that they're using a Canon camera here. My guess, that's my guess anyway. As you can see, it is a small DSLR camera with its lens on, and they have it facing down, and as you can see here, they have the memory cards there, the SD cards, and something that looks like a flash there at the side that can fit into those pockets. Now my conclusion about this DSLR camera bag from Manfrotto, I'd say it's a nice little neat bag. Obviously you can't carry too much of your kit in there, but it's just for the essentials that you need. One lens that you're going to be using, obviously the camera, probably a flash could fit in here. Your flash could fit in here. Probably charger and cables could fit in this one, no problem, because as I said, I'll put my hand in there to show you. And as you can see, sorry about that, that's my clock. You can see that my hand can fit in there, and I've got medium-sized hands, so it is quite a good pocket. But this part is not padded, so just bear that in mind, that this part here is not padded on the outside, whilst that part obviously is padded, so your camera would be shielded in there. So the Manfrotto Small Advanced Camera Holster bag, I'd say is a very good case, and I know that my mate, when he my work colleague, when he receives this, is going to be absolutely happy. I hope you like this quick review of the Manfrotto Small Advanced Camera Holster case. Please do me a favour, please like, please subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks very much. Bye.